Hey, last time I stayed on a small hotel near the beach. Nope, you stay in a hotel, not on it. You are inside the hotel, not sitting on top of it. Oh man, why so many prepositions in English? My brain is tired about this. You mean tired of this? We always say tired of something when we are frustrated. Man, prepositions are attacking my brain on every side. Yeah, it's attacking my brain from every side. It's not on every side. Okay? English is so tricky. You are learning soon. No more mistakes. Best of luck. Hello everyone and welcome back to ARTAN'S Teaching. Today we are going to test your English skills with an exciting preposition quiz. I will give you a sentence with a missing preposition and you will have 5 seconds to choose the correct answer. And after each question, I will explain in a fun and easy way. Okay, so let's see how many you can get the right. Okay, so let's dive in this video. Oh wait, this is Nuralom from ARTAN'S Teaching. If you're new here, don't forget, click the subscribe button and the bell icon for never miss an update. So, round 1. Prepositions of place. Imagine you are looking for your phone. So the question is, my phone is ... the table. My phone is ... the table. Choose the correct answer. Okay, your time start now. The correct answer is on. My phone is on the table. My phone is on the table. Use on when something is touching the surface. For another example, my book is on the table. My book is on the table. The laptop is on my desk. The laptop is on my desk. If an object touching a surface, use on. Okay. And now round 2, prepositions of time. Imagine you are talking about your birthday. The question is, my birthday is ... May 5th. My birthday is ... May 5th. Choose the correct answer. At, on, in. Your time starts now. The correct answer is on. My birthday is on May 5th. My birthday is on May 5th. Use on for specific days and dates of the week. For another example, our meeting is on Friday. Our meeting is on Friday. The event is on July 15th. The event is on July 15th. And use at for exact times. For example, I will meet you at 5 p.m. I will meet you at 5 p.m. And use in for longer periods. For example, the FIFA World Cup will be held in 2026. The FIFA World Cup will be held in 2026. Okay, and always remember, use on for days and dates. Okay, and now round 3, prepositions of movement and direction. Imagine you are giving a direction to a friend. So the question is, walk ... the breeze and turn left. Walk ... the breeze and turn left. Choose the correct answer. Across, through, into. Think fast. The correct answer is across. Walk across the breeze and turn left. Walk across the breeze and turn left. Use across when moving one side to the other. For another example, he ran across the street. She swam across the river. If it's an open space like a street or river, use across. Okay. And now our last and final round 4. Prepositions of verb. Imagine your friend is talking about their hobbies. So the question is, she is interested, She is interested ... learning new languages. Choose the correct answer. In, on, at. The correct answer is in. She is interested in learning new languages. She is interested in learning new languages. Interested always followed by in. For another example, I am interested in science. They are interested in music. And here some common prepositional verbs. Good at. Good at. I am good at dancing. They good at playing football. And bad at. Bad at. I am bad at cooking. She is bad at cycling. Okay. And afraid of. Afraid of. She is afraid of spiders. She is afraid of spiders. I am afraid of snakes. I am afraid of snakes. And now it's your turn. Write a sentence in the comments below using by preposition of. Okay. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, click the subscribe button and bell icon and like, comment, share. See ya in the next video.